Hi, this is Kelly DeCesaro with the Star Lumber Showcase Home. Today I'm here talking about siding, and I have Justin from James Hardie Siding. So we'll be talking about replacing the current shingle, the estimating process, and really what we're going to do when we go in with new siding. So Justin, tell me about the current condition of this siding.
So this siding is what you'd expect to see on a home of this age. The weather has certainly played a huge toll on the performance of this wood. As it has expanded and contracted over and over again over the years, it's just broken down and it's needing to be replaced.
Okay, Justin, so as we go in and look at replacing the shake shingle siding, what's our first step to figure out how much siding we're going to need on this project?
Okay, so doing a takeoff is essentially a really important part of understanding the total cost for the homeowner and for the contractor. And we have a really cool app that we've partnered with Hover on. It's called Contractor Eye. You're able to generate a fully measured, customizable 3D model of the home. And you get complete measurements of everything on the house. So that's going to save the contractor a lot of time. You're going to order more accurate quantities. The homeowner can look at their home on a 3D model and customize it through colors and different types of siding. It's really neat.
So we'll be able to see what the siding looks like on the home before it's actually installed.
You can actually play with different types of siding on the 3D model.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah.
So what are you thinking that we go in with when we replace this siding?
So what we're going to do, we're going to replace this with an 8-inch lap siding. It's still going to give it a real wood look, and we're going to also incorporate our shingle siding into some of the gables and accent areas. And our shingle emulates that real natural cedar shingle.
It's still going to give it that textured look. It's going to look like wood. It's going to have a bit of a grain to it, and so it's going to maintain that charm that we love so much on this home. That's
right, Kelly. The advantage is it's still going to give you that natural wood look. Some of the benefits of James Hardie siding is it's pest resistant and fire resistant. The fire resistance can typically lead to discounts on homeowners insurance. It's moisture resistant. It doesn't expand and contract like wood-based siding does. James Hardie siding is quite a bit more durable, and it is lower maintenance than other siding options out in the market. So we have a best-in-class warranty. We have 30 years on the product, non-prorated, which is unique in the building industry.
So we're talking about doing two styles of siding on the home. Have we considered colors, or have you gone down that path yet?
So we make a pre-finished siding. It's called Color Plus, and that's something that we're definitely going to use on this home.
I kind of like the blues, but I don't know if those match the style of the home at all. So what were you thinking on like colors? Have you guys discussed that yet?
So I think we need to stay true to the neighborhood, and we're going to go with something that emulates some of the neighboring homes, which there are about 80 colors in this neighborhood.
I started to say, it seems like we have a lot of flexibility with the colors, actually.
Right.
Let Star guide you through the entire project.